Hello. So if you are here, this means that you've already played our Vinego, our negotiation simulator, and that you are now in the month of March waiting for new instructions. This guide, maybe you've already read it, given by your trainer, explained by your trainer, but this video is supposed to help you and to explain you a bit more the new process, the new products that you'll have starting from March. So, first of all, as industrialists, you already know that you are producing, you're having a system of production, and this is what we will check now. So, first of all, I will tell you the first big news is that your producer now will sell you two types of products: cork to crush as usual, but also boards. And these boards will be of three categories: A, B, or C. So this is the first information that you have to know, that starting March, you can not only buy cork to crush, but also boards from your Spanish producer. The question is how you will produce it further on. Well, this is what we will check today. So here you have the normal process of production that you already know. So cork to crush, that gives you the grains, and the grains that will be transformed with the help of a molding machine into mixed stoppers, which is your final product that you can sell to distributors. Now you will buy now the boards that you will put them into a tubing machine. This means that you will have a new production machine, which is the tubing machine, that will give you cork to crush on one side and tubed stoppers on the other side. So boards, once you introduce them into the tubing machine, will give you cork to crush and tubed stoppers. Cork to crush that you will be able to produce as usual using the same process, but the tubed stoppers that you will not produce anymore, you will just sell them like that to your distributors. So this process, this new process, even if it seems quite complicated, actually it's not. It's just complex, a bit more complex, and you have to only look as industrialists only on the blue lines. This is your process. If you check my mouse now, this is the only part that concerns you. The yellow lines are only for distributors. So this part with the sorting machine and natural stoppers, it does not concern you, and you should not really look into it because it will get even more confusing. In order to know how much it will process, you have here in the new settings a simple example. 10 kilos of board Spain A will give you one lot of natural stoppers Spain A and 5 kilos of cork to crush. As you know, the cork to crush that you will be able to produce further on into grains and then into mixed stoppers. So at the end of the day, you'll have two products to sell: natural stoppers and also cork mixed stoppers, just as usual. This process, the new settings, are also available in your Vinego simulator. So in the part of settings here on the production part, you can see that we just added, and you will have starting March, this part of tubing machine that shows you exactly that board Spain A will produce 50% cork to crush, stoppers Spain A 10%, and it's the same for the Spain B and Spain C boards. So you will have, therefore, three more types of products to sell to distributors: stoppers Spain A, stoppers Spain B, and stoppers Spain C. Plus, of course, the mixed stoppers that you already have. You have, as usual, a production cost of 0.03 euros. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask your trainer and check out our videos.